unknown gunmen will commit crime in this southeast, and when Nigerian will send their military, they will come and slaughter innocent Igbo youth. They will burn some houses, shops, destroy some houses and some shops, slaughter innocent Igbo youth, capture them. But in the northern part of Nigeria, they will capture Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that has been slaughtered thousands of soldiers, thousands of Christians committing crime in this country called Nigeria. They will capture them in the north. Under 1 month, they will release them, call them repentant Boko Haram. But in the southeast, when they will come here, they will slaughter innocent Igbo youth. And you are telling me that we are one Nigeria. May God Almighty judge all these evil politicians in Nigeria. And all the Igbo politicians kept quiet for all these things they are doing in the southeast.